to be happy with what you can got, but somewhere inside of him says, though he slay me, yet will I trust him. I don't understand what he's doing, but I yet trust him. And so I'm going to wipe the spit out of my eyes and say, God, I don't understand what you're doing, but I trust you anyhow. But I like how God responds to this man. He responds to him in a crazy way, because it looks like he embarrasses him, but it's a blessing in disguise, because what you thought was your greatest embarrassment was your blessing. If you didn't go through the pain, you wouldn't be as strong as you're now. If they hadn't walked out on you, you wouldn't be who you are right now. You ought to call them up and email them, or Facebook them and send them an instant chat or Snapchat and tell them, say, baby, thank you for doing me the way you did me, because if you didn't do me the way you did me, I wouldn't be who I am right about now. Oh, good God Almighty. I like it because it ain't finished, because God asked him a question that didn't seem to make any sense. I was looking at the text and God asked him a question. He said, tell me what you see. After he spit in his eyes, he said, tell me how you feel. God is the only God that'll look at you when you're going through your greatest suffering and ask you how you feel. Because guess what? He said, I see men standing like trees. Look at your neighbor and say, he ain't gonna leave me like that. He's got to finish what he started in. Grab your neighbor and say, neighbor, he ain't finished with me yet. Grab somebody and say, eyes have not seen and ears have not heard, but he's got to finish what he started in my life. Tell your neighbor, say, you've been doubting, but God got to finish what he started in my life. We've been made endure for a night, but joy is on the way. Grab somebody and tell your neighbor, I've got a feeling that everything is gonna be all right. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy